Well, it's the rainy season in Malaysia. Typically during November, December. It's now the first day of December and it's raining. And I've decided to go out for a walk in the rain. Look at the mist and the clouds and all the moisture on the hill behind me. Fascinating. Anyway, my family think I'm weird because I'm going out in the rain, but I just love it, and I'm fascinated by the rain and the build-up of water and just what's going on, the different sounds of it all. So I'm on the lookout to take some video clips of the effects of the rain. Should be fun. Well, that drain filled up pretty quick. It's moving pretty fast too. And I've got company. Hi. Cute dog with flappy ears. Bloody hell, I'll set all the dogs off now. You're getting wet, mate. It's not really been raining that much. Pretty much for most of the morning, and the drains are filling up. Dogs barking over there. No. Just sitting here minding my own business in the rain and they're barking at me. Well, there used to be a load of trees here on this patch of land, but it's been cleared away, so they're obviously going to do something. But as there's no more roots to drink up the water, so you can notice right there, it's just running straight off. It's running across the road. And it is going straight into the drains. And the drains are filling up even faster. Right up. And this doggy is so concerned. Hi! I love this time of year. It's such a contrast to the usual 11 months of heat that we get, that at times can be really, really uncomfortable. So I tried to make the most of this rainy season, and I'm just really enjoying it. Is it just that I'm a bit weird, or I don't know. I just think it's great to walk in the rain. Well, I think it's time to go off for a warm shower. Please go ahead and subscribe if you like what you see here on this channel. In the meantime, check out some more videos. Seems like it's slowing down a bit now. It'll be back.